If you're a busy mom like me, then you already know we put ourselves last all of the time. So today I'm going to share with you how I prep my apple cider vinegar drinks for the week. So here's what you'll need. You'll need 5 glass bottles, apple cider vinegar labeled with the mother, a quarter lemon, turmeric, and red pepper. To make it easy and fun, I've labeled these glass bottles for every day of the work week. So if you missed a day, you'll know what day you've missed. If you're interested in purchasing this bottle, please send all order inquiries to the email address listed in the description below. So you're just going to add some water, and I poured approximately 8 ounces, but it wasn't enough to fill the bottle, so I would say about 9 ounces of water would be enough. And so now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And you guys, the taste is not the best, but the results outweigh the taste. So we're going to add now 1 teaspoon of turmeric and red pepper. And then we're going to take our quarter lemon and squeeze the juice into the mixture. And we want to mix everything up and pour it into the bottle. We're going to repeat each step 5 times until all glass bottles are done. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see my weight loss journey thus far, please check out my IG. I've linked my account below. And if you have any questions or next video suggestions, please leave them below.